girl, you're taking your time. Why you do me like this? You know me loving your wine. Pretty girl, you're giving me signs, and you tell me you don't want me. Can you make up your mind?
Hey guys, so it is another vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. I'm really trying to push out content for you guys, and I really enjoy filming, to be honest. I'm getting ready to, guys, can you see my bed? It's a mess. I'm getting ready to go on the road, and get some fish and some food to cook for dinner, and then I have homework. So I'm gonna just, these vlogs are gonna be a little bit shorter just because most of my time I'm literally studying most of the day because it's a lot of material. And yeah, if you guys want me to do a video on like some studying tricks that like literally can help you remember a lot of information, let me know. But nothing major has been going on. I'm starting back my, well, I didn't even get to finish my series, but a lot of you guys have been emailing me about creating more entrepreneur slash starting your own business kind of videos, and I'm gonna get back into that. It's just that it's a lot to sit down and film videos like that. So I'm gonna try and think of a way that I can do it and still bring the information to you guys, and it's not like all over the place. But I'm gonna get ready, and then I'll see you guys on the road. You'll see my mom and I. My mom's like talking to family member right now, so yeah.
Where going now?
How are you gonna cook it?
We can't cook it down and we can't fry it. Any way you want to see.
All right, go buy some. How do they sell it? Tell my baby daddy I say hello. I feel embarrassed going back. Where's my cell phone? Guys, we just went to the fish market, but they didn't have any snappers. They only have it filleted, so we weren't gonna get it. But then my mom's like, what are you gonna eat? When you don't eat meat, it's kind of a struggle. You really have to think about what you eat, you know what I mean? I don't know, why didn't I get no time? So hello guys, mommy's.
Pop me hand, man.
Did I pop your hand? How you doing? So where?
You're blind? You want eyeglasses, see?
He might just be homeless.
You don't know homeless.
I'm not going
homeless
to
on the pint, so?
I'm homeless and I point.
You're freaking homeless, so I'm more for chat. I know you got thanks, but you're homeless.
Thank you, God. I thank God all the time. I pray for you all the time. You're acting like I'm not a woman of God.
Not looking at people vehicle and no manners.
Mom, he was just saying hi.
Not hi to me.
Hi, Papi.
Not today.
He was just saying hi. He was looking, he's like, probably, who's that beautiful lady? Look, he's rolling down his window. So anyways, guys, I met my husband in the fish market. And, you know, I thought he liked me, but I wasn't sure, you know, until today. Right, Mommy? Look how Mom's smiling. She know I'm gonna be the plug for all seafood, okay? No, you hate when I talk about this. Did you see that thing that Miss Kitty put? I don't know if she has like a Facebook, she does Facebook Live or somebody records her or whatever. But somebody like made like a statement that a lot of women are like lonely, and she got like really upset and said that you don't have to be by yourself to be lonely. A lot of women are in relationships and they're lonely. Is that true?
No lie. Man not pay them no mind.
Yeah, but
Me not like chatting today, you know.
why are you in the chatting?
Miss Kitty. I want to find one man and they lonely.
That's true.
Sometimes you have so many if you know no man, you stand by yourself. Miss Kitty not tell no lie. I truth Miss Kitty let her.
Yeah, but to be in a relationship,
So you stop chop your mouth, so.
I can't help it. Let me just get rid of the gum, okay? Because I can't, there's no way the gum can be in my mouth and I don't hear it, okay?
You must be deaf.
Maybe. But it can't be in my mouth and then it's just silent. I'm not bad as Leisha though. Leisha's, you can stay over yonder and hear her chop in her mouth.
You're worse than Leisha.
Me? I'm worse than her?
Yeah.
No.
Leisha eat the chewing gum, but Leisha make it turn your mouth some funny way. But for your mouth, they make pay nice.
Oh goodness, really? And you know, if nobody says anything, I can't hear it. Like, it's just normal to me. I can't just eat it and just be silent. You know what I mean? Oh, this looks good. Guys, I'm gonna prop you up. Do they have the rice? Oh, they don't have the rice. What's the difference? What's the difference with rolled oats and not rolled? Oh wow, Mom. I don't have it. It's all oats and cereal.
Yeah, see that funny?
I don't know, but this is the brand. Red Mill. Guys, we're looking for this wild rice that's so bomb. I wonder how these are. These oats. Mom, these are oats? They are, never mind. I found. I don't know where you would find rice. Ooh, and they have Parmesan cheese. Should I get this?
You know what?
I love it on noodles. Guys, we found the rice. Let me show you.
Your rice.
How much is the rice? This rice is on $9. Guys, this is the rice that I like. Can you see it? Mom, are you gonna get anything? You like Uncle Ben's? You know, on the garden vegetable? How much is this rice?
Where is he?
There's no price on it. That rice is a bomb. Guys, look at the soap for $1.70. In Jamaica, it would be like $500. Well, $5. Why? Huh? We're just picking up a little bit of stuff. We're gonna go home and cook, and that's it. Guys, I straightened my hair. What? And then look. We just got out of where did we go? We just got out of the store and everything's in the trunk. I don't think this lip gloss was worth $21. You think it was worth $21, or I should have gave you the $21? You like it? You like it? Hmm?
Like what?
What are you eating?
Dates.
Who told you about dates? Hmm?
Stop questioning me, man.
You should be happy I'm questioning you. Let me see them. I don't want none. Them look like cockroach. Oh, they have pineapple? Mom, why didn't you get the pineapple for me?
Me only have pineapple.
I do.
Me never see pineapple.
Look. On the back, they show you all the ones that they have. Guys, we're gonna go to Ross really quick. Then we're gonna go home and cook for you guys. / mom's gonna cook for you.
Me don't cook for nobody.
Where am I gonna eat them? I cook for you all the time. Mom is just trying to show off. Are you not cooking for me or are you cooking for me? Because we can just swerve past Ross real quick. Real quick. Hello. Hello. Are you cooking for me or not? Jonga. Don't. De nada. Ooh, look at Papi. You know they have pants that look dirty, but they're actually like the wash of the jean. True, mommy.
What you say?
True, mommy. Mommy, you're gonna cook for me or not?
$20.
Huh?
$20.
You owe me $50. Subtract it from there. You owe. Guys, mom is a sore loser. We made a bet because she wanted to tell me that East Clintwood wasn't in this movie. Well, no, she wanted to bet me that East Clintwood or whatever his name is wasn't the guy in this movie, and it was. She owes me $50. She was so confident talking about have your money ready, and now she doesn't have her money ready. It was him. You see, she's a sore loser. So she owes me $50. And now she wants me to pay her $20. When you come from work tired and I make you food, do I ask you to pay me? Huh? Oh, you're quiet now.
From when they watch your stinking ass.
Mom, I did not ask to be born.
From when they watch your
You know, God bless you and Dad with me.
You're stinking, but they just me they watch them. And they wipe out matter them out of your eye. Clean out fingernail, cut fingernail. Wash clothes.
So when you're older, I'm not gonna be doing all those things. The difference between
with me whole husband, me not the way you're there. With me whole husband. Me make peace for one another.
That's what you want? So you don't want me to take care of you when you're older?
You must know.
I must know?
You think how many people who chat me they don't gonna you?
Who gonna chat me?
People.
Say what?
You're my dead shit up in kid.
Oh my guys, do you see what I have to go through? My mom is a lunatic. Is a lunatic, and now she's cursing me out outside. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Alright guys, let's go into Ross. What is she doing now? What are you doing? She's yelling at me. Ma, you don't see this man that look by you? That you're crazy.
That's about 10 man quarter one car.
Madden. Guys, we're in Ross. Mom found a bag. Show them your bag now, my girl.
Steve Madden's $98, now $24.
My mom loves a deal. She's a bargain shopper. Mom, are you in the bag? Guys, do you like this? I don't like the arms. No, that's lunatic. I'm not telling you anything. I'm making suggestions, and that matches the sneakers you just bought.
And jeans and my sneakers.
Guys, I found... Guys, do you like this?
But a small level.
You guys like this sweater? Or it looks like a couch? Mom, I think this looks like a couch. Mom said I'm too jumpy to say it looks like a couch. Mom, you know, it's by Ashley. And Ashley... Yeah. Yeah, it would look nice on you with a dark jean though. Don't play yourself before you wreck yourself. Mom, should I get this? Can you get this for me?
$24 too?
This is only 14, so get mine, leave yours. I spent all my money already on groceries. You see who's the responsible one? I bought groceries, Mom's shopping. Mom, can you buy me this? Yes or no? We'll put down that and get this. Yo, Mom is crazy. Mom, they have it in green too. All right, guys. You're gonna look like you're one of Santa's elves with this candy cane sleeve. Don't cut the sleeve. Who are you? She must be on Project Runway. Like, who is she?
Mom,
the only thing is, I don't know what Sensei Fold you're talking about, but anyways, I want to go to Home Goods really quick.
Really?
It's by the mall and we go home and you cook. Yo, Mom. Let me see your phone really quick. I want to tell Alicia something.
My phone, I don't feel make mystery work and use it.
Who? I don't have no news to carry. Where's Alicia? You don't even count Alicia. You don't even have her in your phone, homegirl. Oh, Alicia's number 2.
I'm going last.
Alicia, can you tell Grandma to call me, please?
Mama, no credit.
Send her credit now?
Half hour.
Chama.
Alicia can't send anyone credit.
Alicia might not have credit herself. Maybe she can send her $100 credit. I just want to tell her that I bought her some chocolates. So make sure she gets 2 bags of chocolates and there should be 24 in each. Whatever.
You can say 68 in one.
Can you imagine if Grandma got her chocolates and it wasn't the random? Grandma, why didn't you? We have to put in the plugins. My camera is about to die. Brethren. Guys, I'm gonna vlog when we get into Home Goods because my camera's about to die and I forgot to pick up the second battery. You see how life is? I never vlog, and when I start to vlog, then you know what I mean? Alright guys, we'll see you in a bit. Out of Home Goods, and what did we get, Mommy? Show them.
I didn't get nothing.
We got a candle. I don't know what is in Home Goods. Is everything made of gold? Because
yeah, they run the go in there.
No, I think it's because our Home Goods is so small where I live that everything is overpriced, and shelves were empty. So I think they had like a big sale or something. So right now we are going to, I have to get my car clean because there's makeup everywhere. There's makeup all over my steering wheel. If you guys see like brown, it's not dirt, it's just makeup. And then my car needs to be washed. Just, that's what I'm saying, the underneath needs to be washed. And yeah. How do I make this turn? Oh, I have to go straight then go back. Okay, okay. I can't say that okay thing. I can't roll anything. All right, Mom, you want to say bye? My camera's about to die, guys. So
peace out.
A-Town down. Dinner. You know that song? All right, bye, guys.